Hi everyone, I'm Shivani and I'm pursuing my BTech in Computer Science and Engineering from Siddhartha Institute of Engineering and Technology. Today I'm going to present my internship project titled FoodOrderAI, and that is AI powered online food ordering system, which I developed during my MERN Stack internship at WebStack Academy. So this project combines MenStack technologies with artificial intelligence to create a smart online food ordering application. And the technologies used in this project are React.js for frontend and Node.js, Express.js for backend, and MongoDB as a database. And Redux Toolkit for state management, and JWT for authentication, Stripe for secure online payments, and finally, Grok AI for AI powered features. Now, let me explain the project overview. The main objective of my project is to build a complete online food ordering system with intelligent AI features. Users can register, log into applications, browse restaurants, and view food order menus, add items to the cart, make secure online payments, and place food orders. The unique part of this project is the integration of artificial intelligence. The first AI feature is the AI food description generator. Wherever, whenever an admin adds a new food item, the AI automatically generates a professional food description, food tags, and serving suggestions and best occasions for the dish. And second AI feature is the AI review analyzer. Instead of reading hundreds of customer reviews, the AI analyzer all reviews can analyze that and provides an overall sentiment, a short summary, and the most frequently mentioned keywords. The it helps users can make better decisions quickly. And now let me explain the architecture of the project. This project follows a full stack architecture. The React frontend provides the user interface where users can interact with the application. And whenever a user performs an action, such as opening the home page or placing an order, or React send up API request to the Express.js backend running on Node.js. The backend process uh, the backend processes the request and communicates with MongoDB database to retrieve or store information. For AI related features, the backend sends request to Grok AI, which analyzes the data and returns intelligent responses. And for online payments, the application uses the Stripe payment gateway. And the overall workflow is the user logs in, browses restaurants, and searches food items, adds them into cart, completes payment using Stripe, and finally places the order. If AI features are required, Work AI processes the requests and the results are displayed to the user. And now finally, let me explain what I implemented and what I learned during my internship. So, during my internship, I implemented a complete MERN Stack application from scratch. I developed a REST APIs using Express.js and connect the application with MongoDB, implemented secure user authentication using JWT, and managed application state using Redux Toolkit, and integrated Stripe payment gateway for secure transactions. And added artificial intelligence features using Grok AI. This internship helped me improve my front end, back end database management also. API development, authentication, debugging, and AI integration skills. Overall, this project gave me practical experience in developing a real world full stack application with modern web technologies. This was the brief overview of my project. Now I will demonstrate the live working of the application, explain each feature in detail. Now I'm starting the server from backend npm start and also frontend. npm run. From this URL, we need to copy and paste in URL bar. This is the home page of my application. And this is from admin. I login from. Oops. Oh. This is my home page of my application. Here, users can view all available restaurants, and for every restaurant, the application displays restaurant image and name, address, ratings, and number of reviews. All this information is fetched from MongoDB through REST APIs. So I'm searching for restaurants like okay, not sure. Mhm. It's I got it. And users can search restaurants by entering keywords also. And the backend filters restaurants based on the entered keyword and displays the matching results instantly. So sorting features, I sort by ratings. These are the ratings of these restaurants. And I can also filter pure veg restaurants. And here is a one pure veg restaurant, and it can sort by reviews also. Okay. There are reviews for all restaurants. There are equal reviews, so it can be not sorted. Then restaurant menus. When I open restaurant, it completely food menu is displayed, like image, name, and description also. This description is generated by the AI and price, rating, and these are the items. Now I can also add to cart, and I can cart this. So here the cart items. We can increase and decrease the items quantity. So done. I want to buy this. If we not logged in yet after this page, they need to log in. Then check out the total was this and units are 3. Now we go to Stripe payment. These are total items and subtotal and shipping for 55 rupees and delivery charges. 1 to 3 hours will deliver. Total due is 1082. So I need to enter the PIN and add address. Pay. Order is successful. And we can see the orders also, what we have ordered. And here is the order. This is the orders. We have ordered one. Now, the AI feature is the main AI feature of my project is customers can usually don't have time to read the hundreds of reviews. So I integrated Group AI. The AI analyzes all customer reviews and generates overall sentiment, review summary, and frequently mentioned keywords. For example, I click on this. The sentiment is positive. And fresh and flavorful dishes, love the quality and presentation, one of the best dishes I have had. That's perfectly cooked and worth for the price. Amazing taste, highly recommended. And here is the tags. The users and reviews are mostly tagged for these tags. This helps users quickly understand restaurants' quality. And these are the reviews for every restaurant. Now I'm going to show you the admin's side. And this is admin style, admin side. The admin can add restaurants and admin can enter restaurant name and your restaurant name, address, and is this full veg or not, and longitude and latitude, the image URL. Okay. And then after submitting, the restaurants is sorted in MongoDB and immediately appears in homepage. Also delete restaurants also. If I delete button, the restaurant is removed from MongoDB and the home page updates automatically. And also manages food items also. Here I can add the KFC meal dessert. And in this restaurant, we have only two categories. If I add the category like meal, and this is in this. And if I add dessert, the item was displayed in this part. So if I add an item and now here, add menu, if I add a category name, like we can add category names also. If the restaurant adds some categories in meals, like meals and desserts, there is a category. And if the restaurant add breakfast category, we can add the category here. And next item in this category, name was something like chicken popcorn, chicken fry, like that. And price we need to mention like 67, 167. And in this, the second AI feature will appear. The backends and food details to the Group AI. And Grok AI returns professional description and tags, serving suggestions and best for recommendations. If I click this, the AI okay, okay, we need to enter name first. The Grok AI will the Grok AI will give the description. These are automatically saved in MongoDB also. In stock, if there is stock, we can add like this, and we need to add here the URL bar. And this is from admin side. Admins also check the reviews summary. And this is the project overview. And I was used to technologies like for front end, I used to React.js and Redux Toolkit. And then for back end, Node.js, Express.js. And for databases, MongoDB. For authentication, JWT and Crypt. For payment gateway, for online payment gateway, I used Stripe. So, and artificial intelligence is, we all know, Grok AI. And the conclusion is to conclude my food order AI project is complete AI powered online food ordering application. I developed it using the MERN Stack, and these all your technologies are used in MERN Stack. And the project provides a seamless experience for both user and administrator by combining modern web technologies with artificial intelligence. And during my internship, I gained practical experience in React.js, Node.js, and Express.js. And MongoDB, Redux Toolkit, JWT Authentication, Stripe Gateway, and REST API development. And I integrated using Go. Finally, I have uploaded my complete project to the GitHub. The repository contains both front-end and back-end source code along with the files required for the project. And using GitHub helped me manage my project efficiently, keep track of my code changes, and maintain the project in the professional way. It also makes it easy to share my work and collaborate with others in the future. And this internship has been wonderful learning experience too. Before joining, I had a theoretical knowledge for the web development, and during this internship, I have gained a practical experience in building full, complete, full stack application using MERN Stack. I learned how to develop REST APIs, connect the front end and back end, work with MongoDB, and implemented user authentications, integration Stripe for online payments, mm, manage applications, state using Redux and Toolkit, and most importantly, integrated artificial intelligence using Grok AI API. And I also improved my debugging, problem solving, and project development skills while working on this project. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to the WebStack Academy for providing me the valuable opportunity to learn and build a real world project. And I'm thankful to to the mentors and trainers for their continuous guidance, support, and encouragement throughout the internship. This internship has increased my confidence and strengthened my technical skills. And I believe the knowledge I gained will be very helpful in my future career as a software developer. And Thank you, WebStack Academy, for the wonderful learning experience. Thank you everyone for watching my presentation.